The distinction between the criminal justice standard for proof beyond a reasonable doubt is different from the intelligence community standard of whether somebody was responsible for a particular act. And the standard of proof in a courtroom is not what is the requisite, item for whether some type of retaliatory strike is made. The issue was whether the information was made aware to both the law enforcement and intelligence community, and that clearly was the case. What the decision makers did with that information, which I think is the gist of your question, was something that was decided within the National Security Council. And
that's an important statement that we have not heard. So it is your position that the White House was told that Al-Qaeda done it, quite apart from evidentiary.
No, I didn't say that, Mr. Secretary. What I said was that, and what I'm trying to convey, is that the information that was available through the law enforcement community, in particular the FBI, as to the standard of proof and the items of proof that would be used in any charging, had already been outlined, as Pat mentioned, for the 98 embassy bombings. The intelligence community was aware of that information, as well as the information that had been obtained both overseas and domestically on the Cole bombing in terms of Nashiri's involvement, Ghalad's involvement. That information was aware. I don't know who specifically was briefed on what day. If that's your question, I don't have that information.